All right, saxophones, this is the introduction to saxophone page Circle 2. All right, we're looking at Circle 2, and we've got a set of whole notes that are going up chromatically, so that means just like with your chromatic scale. And underneath it has a tonguing pattern. Now, our tongue is a muscle, and if we don't use it a lot, then it gets weak, it gets flabby. Articulation is actually one of the first things that goes downhill when you don't play your instrument. So like when you're practicing, if you take a few days off, like your tongue speed slows down faster than anything else. So it's an important part of a daily drill. Let's look at this first one. It's just on a G, and the rhythm is with an eighth note, 2/16, eighth note, 2/16, 4/16, 1/4. So the counting for that is 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, right? So ta 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 ta. Or for us, a good syllable to think is 2. So 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. When you're doing this, you want to get your air going as fast as possible behind your tongue. It's just like if you've ever seen a fan that's got like a string attached to it, and the fan is blowing that string and making it go really, really, really super fast. That can be what will help your tongue to do its best job in this circumstance. So let's try it just on a G. We'll get the tempo going at 80 beats per minute. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. One more thing. If you have a hard time remembering that rhythm, you can do the soda pop. So you can go cream soda, Dr. Pepper, Sprite. Say that with me. Ready? Go. Cream soda, Dr. Pepper, Sprite. If you think that in your head, you're going to be okay. The regular counting is really good. All right. 1, 2. Okay, so that was one measure. Then we go on and we do that on another pitch. So the next pitch is G sharp. That's the same as A flat. You probably remember your G sharp key is on the left hand. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then this top pinky in the left hand right there is the G sharp. Then we'll go to A. No big deal on A. Then we have A sharp. Now that one you're probably like, what? A sharp? But we need to think the enharmonic. So we can look over on the fingering chart and find us an A sharp. And here we go. Right here, A sharp is the same as B flat. Now you probably know B flat, right? 1, 2, and this bottom side key. This is the fingering that I like you guys to use for most B flats. Okay, so 1, 2 in the side key for the A sharp, also known as B flat. Then we go to B, then flip to C, C sharp. Hopefully you remember is just open, no fingers down. Then we go to D, and D sharp after that is the same as E flat. So we've got the top pinky right here. Of course, the octave key since we've been on the D. Then we go to E at measure 28, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then F. Now I'm playing an F. The next note is an F sharp. So F sharp and F are touching. They're buddies. What are we going to do? The chromatic fingering, because I told you this was like the chromatic scale, right? F sharp, and then we go to G on the top. Now, there are a couple of adjustments you can make for some of these notes, and since we're holding on this note for 4 beats long, it'd be a good idea to do those. So look at the B at measure 23, first finger. Now on B, it's a good idea to add a side key, the second side key, in order to make that sound a little bit better. And I think I told you the right side key. Let's see. Actually, no, it's the bottom side key, just like the B flat side key, sorry. You hear what that did? It changed the pitch a little bit. So that's what you want. It's going to make it sound a little bit better. Also on C sharp, measure 25, you can use the second side key. That's where the second side key goes. For C sharp, right there. And that makes it sound a little bit better. So here's C sharp. You can probably hear that it makes the sound go up a little bit because C sharp is actually a flat note on the saxophone, and when you open that side key, it makes it go up just a little bit. It makes it sound better. Then in measure 26, that's a D, and you should know what finger to put down for that. We've got the D fingering with the octave key. We place down the inside middle. So here's D regular without that. Makes the pitch go down a little bit. D is a sharp note on the instrument. You add that key, it makes it go down. Okay? All right, so let's play these. You're going to have to find a sneak of breath when you need it. Keep the air going fast. I can pretty much guarantee I'm going to have some mistakes on this. I'm not going to sound great. I'm asking myself that question though. How did I sound? And as I go, I'm trying to fix it and make it a little bit better. Okay, it's a hard skill. Here we go. Ready? Starting on G. And 1, 2. Okay, so yeah, like I was running out of air, I was getting tired, it was like, oh my gosh. So that's why this is a good exercise. If you do that every day, it's going to get better, and you're going to be way better than I am, I hope. Now, a couple things I was thinking about as that was going. Try this. Sometimes happens with students on this exercise. They go like this. Check it out. I'm breathing every measure, right? Try to avoid that. Try to go at least 2 measures, maybe 3 or 4 on one breath. And that's hard to do when you're trying to keep the air really, really fast. So there you go. The next exercise will just be the doing that exercise straight down, no explanation, and look out for that.